Hello there everyone. Today I've got a very special unboxing because this is my first ever actual good quality handheld weather radio. There are pretty much only 4 or 5 models of same handheld weather radios that I know of that are actually good. Those would be the RadioShack 12254, the Beige 12259, which is what this is, the 12993, and the Midland HH54VP and EH55. I've been trying to get any one of those that I could for the past 3.5 years, and between unreasonable prices or being sold in places where I can't find them in time and they just sell out, or what, it took me so long, but I finally got this one, and I think it comes with the box. I have already on hand this AC adapter for it. This should be the right plug size. I know it's the right specifications, but this came with my lacrosse handheld weather radio, the S83301. So unfortunately that radio is kind of a piece of junk, and it sometimes doesn't even activate at all, and other times it will decode a severe thunderstorm warning as a weekly test. So that's why I don't use it very much. But this hopefully is going to get a lot of action. These Beige 12259s are supposed to be some of the most reliable weather radios. Certainly the most reliable 259s. So I really can't wait for this. Alright, and here it is. Wow. So this was made in 2004. But hopefully, since it has the old blue and white box, it should still be the good one. Oh good, it does come with the belt clip. Well, this thing didn't show that. Looks like it's still in the original taped up bag, too. That's pretty cool. I'll get that open in a minute. Oh gosh, let me clear out all these packing peanuts. Jeez. There's a packing slip, which of course I can't show due to personal information, but it is there. All right. And here we have the quick start guide. That'll be the Spanish side, and this is the English side. And then here's the manual. The front's kind of torn up right there. Doesn't seem to have even gone through to the other side though, so that's good. And this manual appears to all be in one language, which is actually kind of unusual even for RadioShack radios. Maybe that's how the older ones worked, because I think with the, starting with the 262, or maybe even the 261, they would do half of it in English, and then you flip it over and the other half is in Spanish. And it has 2 front covers, like that. But here is the radio itself. Wow. So it's got kind of a, it's not exactly rubberized, but it's not like regular plastic. I guess it is rubberized, but it's not actual rubber. And let me just make sure the battery compartment looks good. Oh no. It does not look good. But at least it's not rusted. So that should be cleanable. Well, I went ahead and got batteries for this. But I guess I'll have to use the AC adapter instead for now. Alright, here it is. Alright, the plug size looks good. Oh, there we go. Okay. What I just realized, I didn't actually press all the buttons first. And it doesn't seem like they're working, but I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Maybe there's something else I have to do to get them to work. So let's see. Okay. There we go. So that turned it off.
South and east of Macon. Now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Hazardous weather is expected at this time. Information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight.
Sounds pretty distorted.
2:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The following reports of weather,
Alright, and it is currently... Actually, I'm not sure. Let me go check. It's 2:41 p.m. That's cool. Even if the button beeps are long and slow, you can still press the buttons faster. That's nice. I guess that's... Okay, there we go. That's KXI 22.
Highs in the lower 60s. Current time is 2:43 p.m.
And there's WXJ 53.
The following reports of weather, temperature, and wind were made at 2 p.m. at Gainesville. It was partly sunny.
Alright, there's nothing programmed. I'm gonna go ahead and set my county in here. But I am gonna keep it on all location mode. And let's make sure nothing's disabled. Okay. There we go. I didn't realize you couldn't see it very well. All right. This thing's beeps are kind of loud. So I just realized, I think since this one was made in 2003, in 2004, as opposed to the 2003 version, even though this doesn't have the public alert logo, it does have the newer alerts in here. So that's at least cool. Whoops. I just skipped one, didn't I? Okay. And that would be it. So now let's check the siren. That's not too loud. I was hoping it could go a little quieter, but that's probably okay. Certainly with the speaker covered, that's great. Yeah, that's pretty loud.
Wednesday, Monday. Hazardous is expected at this time. For information, activation will not be needed through tonight.
Looks like it's back on channel 6. Channel 7. Jeez. And that's probably because it is in travel mode. Okay.
The current time is 2:40. Weather, temperature, and were made at 2 p.m. at Gainesville. It was partly humidity miles. Temperature 58 degrees, dew point 22, and the pressure 30.6.
Alright, so it does sound kind of
inches
distorted, but I think
falling.
mostly that's just from
Elsewhere
KCA.
around the region, Athens, it was partly 15 degrees.
It almost sounds like the speaker's loose in there,
5
but
miles an hour.
I don't know. It doesn't sound too bad, so I think it's fine. The antenna's in good condition. I think sometimes these can even bend or break, but this one is in good condition. So, alright, all that's left is to get the belt clip on there. Alright, there we go. That's pretty good. So it seems to be working.
Asheville, it was sunny, 57 degrees, wind south at 10 miles an hour, gusting to 18 miles an hour. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is proportional
I wonder if the speaker is loose in there.
Today and tonight, the probability for widespread hazardous weather is low. However, high fire danger conditions are expected again this afternoon into the evening across much of western Georgia due to low relative humidity.
It's probably fine,
Flood warning
but it is
continues
very
reports
sensitive to the adapter cord being moved.
Rivers south and east of Macon. And now the
Also, I don't know if you caught that, but the Ocmulgee River is apparently, according to the weather radio, pronounced Ocmulgee. see if you can see the backlight color on there. It's out of focus, but you can kind of see it. That is pretty cool. It's pretty dim, but it's a nice color. Alright. Now it does look like the signal strength meter is not actually a signal
Please refer
strength
to
meter,
your local burn permitting authorities whether you may be outdoors.
but is instead just like a, maybe a function indicator? I don't know. But anyway, seems to be working pretty well.
Midnight. Lows in the mid-30s. Light northeast winds. Wednesday, areas of frost in the morning. Sunny. Highs around 60. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Alright, so it's kind of distorted, but
Partly in the
I think it's fine
then
anyway.
becoming mostly clear. Areas most after midnight.
It's not like
Lows in
the crackly
30s.
distortion that, for example, that lacrosse radio has. Also, I don't know why that camera wasn't showing it up there. Okay. Yeah, see, every time I look away from it, it just tilts down like that. Sorry about that. Alright. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching.